Ladies and gentlemen, let us give them a big round of applause. Thank you to all our gentlemen. Those guys played a very significant role in the life of our debutants. This ladies that I will be calling now serve as the strength and the guides of our debutants.
The what?
Let us now proceed in the lighting of the candle.
Ikaw naman. Kaway. Eric, kaway. Layapin kaway.
Don't make distance shorter, but the light of the path and make the journey more easier and more comfortable. So light the first candle
I was shocked.
to give a message.
Huwag na kailangan.
The real idol of the debutants, sa sobrang kaartingan nag-drive daw silang dalawa. Take note ha, kasundo, magsundo